This is NBC 24 News at 11. Thanks for joining us. I'm Laura Rice. According to the couple's attorney, both Richard Heaney and his wife Mayumi will plead guilty to false reporting to authorities. Last month, the Heaney family reported that their son floated away from their Colorado backyard in a homemade aircraft. Their attorney said prosecutors could ask for jail time, but have agreed to allow probation sentences. Now, the Balloon Boys' 15 minutes of fame got us thinking, could young Falcon Heaney have actually been lifted by the Mylar helium balloon? NBC 24's Ryan Fowler paid a visit to the Imagination Station to search out an answer. He joins us now live with what he learned. Ryan.
Laura, I learned that my math skills are worse than originally thought. But we hit up the scientific epicenter of Toledo, the Imagination Station downtown, where an expert in physics broke down some intense equations to figure out if Falcon could really fly via helium balloon. Falcon Heaney's 15 minutes of fame was enough to create a line of merchandise available for online consumption. A video game where you could see how much taxpayer money you could waste chasing him. To the 100% cotton t-shirt just in time for the holiday season.
Are you ready, Taylor?
Though the high-altitude hoax snagged our attention, we wanted to know, could Falcon fly in that balloon?
It just depends on the construction, the volume of helium gas involved, and also the weight of the structure.
Carl Nelson works at the Imagination Station and graduated from Michigan State with a degree in low-temperature superconducting physics. So he's smarter than you or I. And to be honest, the math equations he tried to explain flew right over my head.
For all that, we end up with 4/3 pi. Work through all the math, you get to about 1,200 cubic feet that the helium would occupy. And given the lifting power of helium gas at standard temperature and pressure at sea level, you get about 73 pounds of lift.
Reports say that the Mylar balloon was 20 feet long and 5 feet high. Falcon's weight, 37 pounds.
I've heard of things like cardboard and duct tape and string. It's probably not your best engineering materials, but it's definitely possible if the total weight of the whole structure was not greater than 73 pounds, including the weight of the passenger.
Carl concluded that it is possible that Falcon could fly in his dad's homemade contraption, if he ever has the chance again. Now, if this kind of scientific investigation interests you or your kids, there is a chemistry day all day at the Imagination Station this coming Saturday. Over 100 volunteers will be on hand to interact with audiences, and I'm sure Carl would love to explain those math equations once again if you ask him nicely. Reporting live, Ryan Fowler, NBC 24 News.